The balance is really hard, juggling, being mum, and, you know, training like a full-time athlete again. Well, the hard work's been kind of since day one of this challenge, really, because I know I'm up against it, to try and get a spot on this Commonwealth Games team. It's only been 7.5 months after 7 years out. I've always really liked, you know, chasing the impossible, you know, having a crack at something that maybe people think, oh, you're not gonna be able to do that, you're a mum to 3 little ones. So every single session I'm making sure it counts. Me and Bubba have bump measurements this week, and little one's definitely getting bigger. From the age of 10, everything was about going to the Olympics. I was fixated on that goal. Everything was about the Olympics. When I was told that I wouldn't be riding the semi-final, I was just, yeah, heartbroken, devastated. You had to try and put on a brave face, but inside you were hurting so much. When I was pregnant with Ottilie, I just had that moment of thinking, I've got nothing to lose, and could it be done? For the 9 months I was pregnant, I was training, and I was able to lift really big in the gym, so I set a few new personal bests, like all-time personal bests when I was pregnant. Okay, so nearly week 36. And that kind of lit this little fire inside of thinking, could I do this? Could this be possible? I was very fortunate that everything went well during labour, and then 2 weeks later I was back on the bike.
First day back on track after 7 years off.
Where are we all going, team?
To the track.
To the track. My aim is to race at the Commonwealth Games and compete in the team pursuit for Wales, my 3rd Games.
I thought it was going to be really busy.
So the juggle is real.
Are you going straight for that before sandwiches? Yeah, let's do sandwiches first, baby. So we've had to plan a lunch for them during a lunchtime drop-in track session, so lots and lots of snacks. We've got lots and lots of dinosaurs. It is quite the logistical challenge, but it's all good fun. Back in 2018, just before I retired, I'd have been on the rollers, I'd have had headphones in, race playlist on, getting ready for the session. I would be, yeah, very, very different scenario to this, but I wouldn't change it for the world.
Ciara sort of feels like we said, there was a few stones left unturned last time, which could have optimised the performance a bit more. So, you know, whilst having the kids here, breastfeeding mid-session is not ideal, physiologically, there's a few other bits and bobs that we are trying to target instead that will hopefully make the difference.
So really focus on that, like, again, like set that upper body, set that core before you go. It's a big push and a pull, but you just can't let all this go. I mean, considering she had a baby, what, 8 weeks after me, I have absolutely no idea how she's got back to training at this level in that amount of time. What she's doing already, I think, in the time that she's been doing it is just like super impressive. Gives me like, oh, I definitely believe that she can achieve what she thinks she's gonna. But yeah, like, I mean, I don't know how she's doing it, basically, in terms of juggling. I think they all think she's mad, to be perfectly honest with you.
Well, here we are, wandering to what has become the bike room.
I woke up with a lovely sore throat this morning, courtesy of probably Florence being in reception. Oh, Ottie's not having a good day. His throat's definitely feeling a bit better. The kids are absolutely streaming with colds. Obviously. Yes, darling. Anyways, yeah, it's a new challenge.
Fair play. I love all the noises, Floss.
I was up pretty much every hour last night because Ottilie is poorly, and yeah, it's just really hard leaving her this evening. So yeah, you're not happy today, are you, my girl? Usual mum guilt at times.
This week is a big week. I've got the World Masters Track Championships in the bay.
Aero helmet, road helmet. Road helmet, Ottilie is currently playing with. Glasses are in. Pillows. I'm very excited to race. I am in the form of my life, which I actually feel really proud of because, you know, this little lady's just turned 8 months old. And it's such a huge family team effort, this, and the fact that I've got all of my loved ones there to watch me, I'm just so excited.
So we are all packed.
Ready to go? Where are we going?
Everything's going in the right direction. First race back at World Masters, I hit the target time, I got the outcome I wanted. I'm now faster than I've ever been on track before, but I'm still yet to see my best ever numbers on the bike. So I'm quite excited to see if I can get where I was power-wise back and be more aero, then hopefully, you know, good things will come. There's a lot of women who are kind of showing it can be done, and I think that inspires people like myself to think, can I do this? Is it possible? It's only been 7.5 months after 7 years out, which is quite remarkable really when you think about it. And sometimes I have to remind myself of that because the old athlete in me is like, but it's not a PB, and I have to just rein it back in. I'm in that, you know, it's gone 9 o'clock and I'm just emptying the tank on the turbo. It's just thinking about Commonwealth Games and thinking if I can represent Wales in front of my family and have my 3 little ones there in the stands, my husband, how magical that would be. When it's easy to say no, I just think of those moments and think, actually, dig deep. When I take a step back and think, well, this is where I've come in 7.5 months, and this is where I want to get to, then it's very exciting and tiring at the same time. I wanted to inspire my kids to chase their dreams, to chase the impossible. So whether it's a positive outcome and I get to compete for Wales again, or whether I don't make it and I'm beaten by better girls, I want to know I've done everything I can. I'll get the email up. So I'm opening my emails. I've heard that people have been notified if they're on the long list or not. And dear Ciara, I am pleased to inform you that you have been included on the long list for the Wales cycling team for Glasgow 2026 Commonwealth Games. Yay! Pretty epic indeed. Now I've just got to try and make the shortlist.